Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to create pie chart in Excel. So first of all, to create pie chart, select the relevant data and then by control button select the other column and now go in insert tab and here you can see pie. Click on this and here are different options available. Select whichever you want and drag it to the size. You can also reduce or increase its size. So here you can see pie chart is created. If you want to show values in it, right click on it and here you can see add data labels, and as you will click you will see the values are shown here. So this is how you can add pie chart in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.